For information about advanced generation bikes, please like, subscribe my channel. Here are the key points for the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 factory. 1. Engine and performance. Powered by a 1.099cc V4 engine, the RSV4 factory continues to deliver top-tier performance with around 217 horsepower, revised electronics and throttle response improved performance, especially at high speeds, making it one of the most potent superbikes. 2. Aerodynamics. The 2025 model features updated aerodynamic winglets integrated into the front fairing for improved stability at high speeds, enhancing both handling and downforce. 3. Electronics package. The Aprilia Performance Ride Control (APRC) system is enhanced with traction control, wheel control, launch control, and cornering ABS. The electronics also include multiple riding modes, allowing customization for road, track, and sport riding. 4. Chassis and suspension. It comes with a semi-active suspension for improved handling and adaptability in various riding conditions. The chassis continues to be lightweight, with Brembo-style EMA brake calipers ensuring top-notch braking performance. 5. Design and ergonomics. The RSV4 factory is known for its sleek and aggressive design. The 2025 edition features a refined look with improved ergonomics, including adjustable foot pegs and seat positioning for optimal rider comfort on long rides.